This video will cover difficult questions regarding the topic of integration by substitution. Number 1, we can rewrite as sine 4x squared times cosine 4x dx. Let u equals sine 4x, derive du equals cosine 4x times 4x prime, then dx, du equals cosine 4x times 4, then dx. There is only cosine 4x dx, then divide by 4 on each side. Du over 4 equals, cancelled, cosine 4x dx. Now all x change into u. The integral of sine 4x is u squared, then cosine 4x dx is du over 4. Then we can rewrite as 1 over 4 the integral of u squared du equals 1 over 4 times, use the power for integration, u cubed over 3 plus c, u cubed, which is sine 4x cubed, over 12 plus c, and final answer is sine cubed 4x over 12 plus c. Let u equals 1 plus square root of x. We can rewrite as u equals 1 plus x to the power of 1 over 2. Derive each side. Du equals 1 over 2 times x to the power of minus 1 over 2 dx. Du equals 1 over 2 times 1 over square root of x dx. There is only 1 over square root of x dx, then times 2 on each side. 2 du equals 1 over square root of x dx. Back to the original, let's place all x with u. The integral of 1 over u cubed 1 over square root of x dx is 2 times du. We can rewrite as 2 times the integral of, make the power form, u to the power of minus 3 du equals 2 times, use the power for integration, u to the power of minus 3 plus 1 over minus 3 plus 1 plus c equals 2 times u to the power of minus 2 over minus 2 plus c equals, cancelled, the minus 1 over u squared plus c equals minus 1 over u was 1 plus square root of x, 1 plus square root of x squared plus c. This one is difficult. Think 3 minus x is u, so u equals 3 minus x. Du equals minus dx. There is only dx, then times minus 1 on each side, minus du equals dx. How about x minus 1? Start here. Solve for x. Move x to the left. X equals 3 minus, move u to the right. Minus 1 on each side. Then x minus 1 equals 3 minus 1, which is 2 minus u. Let's replace all x with u. The integral of x minus 1 equals 2 minus u. Square root of 3 minus x equals u. Then dx equals minus du. Minus du equals the integral of minus 2 plus u, we can rewrite as u minus 2. Square root of u is u to the power of 1 over 2 du. The integral of expand u to the power of 3 over 2 minus 2u to the power of 1 over 2 du equals, finally entire derivative of them, u to the power of 5 over 2 over 5 over 2 minus 2 times u to the power of 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 plus c equals, the reciprocal of 5 over 2 is 2 over 5, just it upside down, then u to the power of 5 over 2 minus 2 times the same technique, 1 over 3 over 2 is upside down, 2 over 3 times u to the power of 3 over 2 plus c equals 2 over 5 u to the power of 5 over 2 minus 4 over 3 u to the power of 3 over 2 plus c. 2 over 5, u was 3 minus x to the power of 5 over 2 minus 4 over 3, 3 minus x to the power of 3 over 2 plus c. Number 4, we can rewrite as the integral of cosine squared x times cosine x dx. Use the trigonometric identity sine squared x plus cosine squared x equals 1. Move sine squared x to the right. Cosine squared x equals 1 minus sine squared x. Back to the original, the integral of cosine squared x equals 1 minus sine squared of x times cosine x dx. Let u equals sine x, du equals cosine x dx. The integral of 1 minus sine squared of x equals u squared. Cosine x dx equals du. Use the power for integration. 1 is u minus u cubed over 3 plus c. U was sine of x, then sine of x minus sine cubed x over 3 plus c. This is the last one. Let u equals 1 plus sine squared x, then du equals, use the chain rule, 2 sine x times sine x prime dx, then du equals 2 sine x times cosine x dx. Use the double angle identity, this one, we can rewrite as sine 2x dx. Let's replace all x with u. The integral of sine 2x dx is du over square root of 1 plus sine squared x equals u. The integral of, we can rewrite as u to the power of minus 1 over 2 du. Use the power for integration, u to the power of minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over minus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c. Then u to the power of 1 over 2 over 1 over 2 plus c equals, the reciprocal of 1 over 2 is 2 over 1, which is 2, times u to the power of 1 over 2 plus c equals 2 square root of u plus c equals 2 square root of u was 1 plus sine squared of x plus c. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment below. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.